This is a quick test for a fuel injection problem. So I'm going to test fuel injectors to show that there is fuel injection into the engine, and also that would also mean that the camshaft sensor is working. So if we've got fuel injection, the camshaft sensor is working. So this is just a quick way of testing. Here's the camshaft sensor. I'm going to use this spanner to activate the injectors with ignition on, of course. Okay, so as we can see, all of the injectors are firing just fine. So our no start problem with this car is definitely not due to a bad camshaft sensor or